So if you guys ever wondered what it was like from inside the cab of a garbage truck, this is what you're seeing. That's the rear view for my camera. I'll show you the mirror view too. We're just working one side of a street right now. This particular town we're in, we do every house. If they have trash service, we're the ones who do it. This lady is literally pulling her trash out right now. You know? You see that a lot. They hear you coming, you know? Whoop, you can't miss them. So they get running. It's just now starting to get daylight out here. Guys have been cruising pretty good. Here they are on the side. We got a recycling box on the side. Can you see it in the mirror? Kind of working there. See it? That's where all recycling goes. Today, this isn't my regular thing. The regular person is off sick, you know. Time to move. Nope, I didn't mean it. Gotta set the brakes so you can pack it. Truck that I'm running is natural gas. All our trucks that stay local are all running natural gas. They run compressed natural gas. The diesel trucks are the ones that get put, you know, the long distance drives and everything. The natural gas, you're only getting, I don't know, 150, 200 miles a tank, and you just can't take that on a long trip, if you know what I mean. Set the brakes for him. But I'm about to do some backing up here and everything, so I'm going to have to let you go. I thought you guys would be interested in this little trash man video. Alrighty?